Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Mama Elisa Cooks. How are you guys tonight? You know what? I am so excited to show you guys again my new cook recipe called chicken adobo with boiled egg. How's that? So are you excited? Alright, I want to show you guys right now. And thank you so much for watching me, okay? Thank you for your support. Okay guys, this is my ingredients for my chicken adobo. I got cooking oil, pineapple slice, juice, Mama Elisa oyster sauce, apple cider vinegar, and then soy sauce, the star of the show, chicken, and then I have a bay leaf. I got garlic, fresh garlic, and I have ginger, fresh ginger, yellow onions. You can use red onions if you want. And I have boiled egg. Then 2 cups of brown sugar. Okay, let's start it cooking. Here you go guys. I'm gonna put cooking oil. Okay, just a little. There you go. Then onion. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Looks so good. Wow. This is so delicious. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is very easy. Just watch what I did. Your family's gonna love it. Then my husband, when I come home, honey, what you gonna cook for tonight? I said, chicken adobo. She said, yummy, yummy. I said, okay. That sounds good. I love cooking. That's why here I am. I'm sharing with you guys all the knowledge that I have. Before, I don't know how to cook. But I keep watching everybody how to cook. Now I know how to cook. Now I'm sharing with you guys how to cook. I know some of you guys, you know about adobo, but you know, you can cook different kind of style of adobo if you want. But tonight, I want my adobo with boiled egg and pineapple juice. There you go. So after that, put your garlic inside. Put my garlic here. There you go. Wow. Ready? That's so good. Oh my gosh. I'm so hungry already. Just smelling the onion, the garlic, and the ginger. Oh my gosh, makes me losing my diet. But guess what? I love adobo too. So that's why here I am. I'm cooking adobo for dinner. There you go. After that, so you put everything, then you put your chicken. You know what? I make a lot of chicken tonight because my husband, my daughter, my grand, they love adobo. So that's why I said, okay, I can make extra adobo for tonight. Okay. After you do that, put some black pepper. Okay. You don't have to put a lot. Just small amount. Wow. Looks so good already. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Wow. See that? Just mix it. Like that. I think I put a lot of chicken. Okay. After you do that, put your bay leaf. Okay. Then 1/4 of vinegar. Okay. 1/4 of vinegar. And then 1/4 also of soy sauce. Okay. 1/4 vinegar, 1/4 soy sauce. Then I put some oyster sauce. There you go. You don't have to put a lot of oil. Just like that. You put your brown sugar. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. There you go. And you mix them. Wow. Mix both. Lots of chicken. I don't put water right away because I want to make sure the flavor goes to the, I want to make sure that it turns to brown. Wow. Good already. Okay, so I add pineapple juice, just a little. There you go, please. Okay, I'm gonna cover it for a while. Okay. Look, guys. Ooh, it looks so good. OMG. My gosh, I cannot wait. 5 more minutes. It's gonna be finished. Then my rice is ready. Okay, guys. Wow. See, guys, after 15 minutes, here's my chicken adobo. Ooh. Oh my God. Look at that. Ooh, looks so good. Wow. This is yummy. Oh my God, looks so good. Smells so good. Tastes so good. Wow, look at this. Alright, guys, my chicken adobo is already done. So you cook the chicken for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, there you go. Very easy and quick. Wow. Woo. Look at the eggs soaking with the adobo broth. Look at that. Looks so good. Let me try. My chicken. Let me try. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Wow. Ooh, I love it. Okay, time to eat, guys. Here we go. Please come join with us with our chicken adobo. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Here is my chicken adobo. Yummy. Ooh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Gosh, wait. This is chicken adobo. Hi, guys. Look at my chicken adobo now. Look at that. Ooh, it looks so good. Look at that. So yummy. Here you go. Chicken adobo with the boiled egg. So I cannot wait to try. I wanna show you guys that I'm gonna eat it. This chicken adobo makes me feel so hungry. Come share with me, guys. Share with me with my dinner. Ooh, now I'm ready. My dinner. Ooh, I cannot wait. I try. Favorite. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. This tastes so good. Then my chicken. Oh my God, so good. Rice. Yummy. Come, guys. Share with me with my dinner. This is a chicken adobo. Easy to make. 15 to 20 minutes, you already have your chicken adobo. Wow. Thank you guys for watching. Oh my gosh, the chicken adobo is so good. Remember, guys, always keep smiling, pray, don't worry, be happy. Love you all. Take care. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful